This is incredibly handy if you do a great deal of washing. A stackable laundry box, an ideal solution for sorting out your washing. It also comes with a 2-year guarantee. When you use a couple of these laundry boxes, you will be able to sort out your laundry without the boxes taking up too much space, as they can be stacked. The laundry can easily be placed inside the box via the opening at the front. The top needs to be flipped open to remove the laundry. The box can quickly be folded up if you're not going to be using it for a little while, making sure it won't take up a great deal of storage space. The laundry box is light, has 2 sturdy handles, and is therefore very easy to move. It has an impressive capacity despite its compact format.